So whether you're looking for a trash can for your home or a business, this is a great choice. What I want to do in this review is just kind of go over everything, give you my opinion. We're going to talk about the thickness, what I think about it. I'm going to put a bag in here, see if the lid's going to fit on there at the same time, and just kind of go over all the little details of this. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is a 32-gallon trash can. It's going to fit your standard bags. Now this is actually made out of polyethylene, so it's super thick. It's very tough. It's got two handles. Of course, we got one on each side. The handles are easy to grip too. These are nice and thick too. You can see here it's got this pattern here, so you can go ahead and grip it easily. And then also on the side, this is really thick too. The handle's actually attached and molded into this really well. And then on the inside, you can get a good look in here and just kind of see what it looks like. There's no rough edges. Everything's just really nice and smooth. So that way when you do put your bag in here, nothing's going to get caught on here to actually tear your bags. We don't want that to happen either. So what I like about it, it does come with a lid. So you can go ahead and make sure it's secure, because depending on what you put in here, sometimes you get those odors and bugs are attracted to that. So when you put this on here, you don't have to worry about that happening. One thing you'll notice about this lid here, we've got these little, it's kind of like a little latch on each side. It's a little clip, so that when we put it on here, it's going to hold on here really well. So when you put it on here, it just snaps. And then right up here, you can get a better view of it. You can see here it's getting on there really well. So when you do pull on it, it's going to clear it. But other than that, it's on there really good. So it's not going to fall off, which is really important. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a standard bag in here. I just want to see how much overlap is here on the top, see if it's going to fit okay. I don't want something that's loose. So you can see here, it just comes down just a little bit over the edge, the trash can. And then when I put my lid on, I just want to make sure it does stay on, because even if the trash can could be, the trash bag could be in the way. And it snaps on there really good. You can kind of get a better look of this. The lid's still not coming off. And then when I take the lid off, it's not pulling the trash bag either, so it stays nice and secure right around the edges. So I really do appreciate the brand sending this to me, because this is one thing I really like. It's got a cart to move it around. I typically have family gatherings here around my pool, maybe if you have a business, and these trash cans can get heavy and they have to be moved at times. And so with this base right here, it just makes it that much easier. Let me go ahead and show you this. So we've got 5 casters here. Of course, these are all ball bearings. This is going to move around, of course, 360 degrees. This base is just nice and thick. And then also the housing of the casters here, they're all metal. You can see how thick that is. This is made of polyethylene too, but it's a lot thicker than what's on here, because it's going to hold all that weight. And if you'll notice, we've got these 4 little protruding pieces of plastic that come out, which is actually pretty thick, and they're not straight. They're kind of curved here a little bit, and that's so the trash can actually fit on here. Let me go ahead and flip this upside down, and then I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. If you look on the bottom of this trash can, we've got 4 little pieces sticking out too, so they're all curved too. That allows this to go ahead and get on there and stay on there. So what you're going to do is you can lay that on there. I'm just showing this for demo, but when it's turned upside down, it's just a lot easier too. Now, I'm going to lift it up by the wheels. Look at that. That's the weight that it's holding. It's in there nice and secure. So let me go ahead and take this off, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how you would do this if it was laying flat. So you're just going to lay it on here, like that. I'm going to hold the base down so it just doesn't turn. And now it's nice and snug. Look at that. Now, when this thing is full, I'm not doing this. I'm moving it around. It's heavy. It might weigh 30, 40 pounds. Now I just kind of move it around and glide it. This is great for out here on my pool, or out in your, say, your garage, any type of gatherings. If you got a business, this works perfect for it. Real happy with it. I mean, it's nice and thick, 5 casters, it's got a base, it's got a lid, and it's made of polyethylene. So when you want to clean it, you just hose it down, let it dry out, and you're ready to go. Hope you found this review helpful.